Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, click on this sweater next to Adaptive Brightness to disable or enable it. You can also go into Tab menu and click on those three dots on Brightness slider. Then switch on or off Adaptive Brightness and save your changes by clicking on Done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!